The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today, our gospel is coming from St. Mark chapter 6, verses 7 to 13. It is all about the sending out of the apostles two by two, with a strict command that they should bring nothing except a walking staff. They will bring no purse, and they will bring no other, even the extra tunic, entirely depending on the providence of God. My dear sisters and brothers, the call towards holiness has given us the standards to follow. And this standard will not be lowered down just so to accommodate us, just so we may be considered getting in touch with what is required from us. Every single day, we have to make our best effort to go up and up until at some point of our life we can say we have done our best to go to the level that the Lord is required from all of us. As His followers and disciples, we shall never compromise the standards set by the Lord, even to us priests. Sometimes we are thinking we need to relax some of the rules and requirements in order to follow Jesus. No, compromising the truth of our faith just so we can say that we are faithful to God is a no-no. Rather, we have to at least make an effort to follow the Lord in our own little way. And in the end, what is important is God can see our effort and whatever is lacking. So when the disciples were sent out, the standard was so clear, but they were able to succeed not because they were truly good and capable of doing things, but because the grace supply on them. It's not about lowering standard or being too accommodating. It's all about doing our best and let God do the rest. God bless.